3 ways to make money by flipping houses. In this video, we'll discuss the 3 ways to profit from flipping houses. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. A lot of people these days are preaching about the buying and holding method of gaining wealth with real estate. There indeed may come a time in your life or business when you'll want to hang on to a piece of property, although you'll only be interested in keeping certain types of property. If you're just starting out, flipping a house may be an ideal way to get started. There are 3 ways that you can flip a house, although each one has its own terms, motivation, and type of property. The first method is known as retailing. What this means is that you buy a house in bad shape, do the repairs to fix it up, then turn around and sell it. There are a variety of houses in need of repairs out there, and several ways that you can quickly flip a house to net profit. All you need to know are the techniques that will get you the most money in the least amount of time. The second way you can flip a house is through wholesaling. Wholesaling involves finding a home for sale and flipping it to an investor for a fast yet small profit. To do this, you'll need to know the real estate investors in your area, the types of homes that flip the best, and how to fund your properties so you can flip it to them. If you live in a Bay Area or city, you'll find that using the wholesaling method of flipping houses is actually easier to accomplish. The third way to flip a house is by assigning the purchase. Using this method, you'll commit to buy the house. Instead of closing the deal yourself, you'll assign it to a real estate investor, of course for a small fee. The investor will take the contract over and close the purchase themselves, flipping the house. This can be very profitable, especially if you invest in the right home. You don't need to have your contract worded any special way to be legal, although you will need to determine the assignment fee. If you're looking to break into the real estate market and make big bucks, you'll need to learn all about flipping houses. Flipping houses is very profitable, especially once you've learned the basics. The first and third methods are the best, although they will both take quite a bit of work on your part. Restoring homes isn't easy, and you'll need to have a team qualified to handle any repairs. Assigning the purchase may be difficult when you first start out, although it will get easier with time. If you stay at it and do your best to make a profit, you'll be an expert at flipping homes in no time at all. If you want to learn how to find real estate deals, Bird Dog Bot can help. It's a software that helps investors find deals more quickly and efficiently. It also provides daily updates so you can evaluate current market conditions and real estate trends to make your investments safe by all means. Don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.